Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
There is one screw holding this on and the rest is clips. So it is actually a T20 Torx. Remove this T20 Torx screw. Put that aside. You can actually grab onto this plastic, start to pull it out. It'll unclip. You can pull this out if it helps. All it is, this is the door so you can get to the fuse panel. Pull it out. So under here, there's a clip that goes in this way. So you can't pull it off, so you're just gonna pop this out. Just enough, it'll slide right out. It's got the hood cable attached to it and the diagnostic cable attachment. I'm actually gonna pull the lever and you'll probably hear the hood release when you do it, but you wanna pop the cable out. So you're gonna kind of pull this down and then flip that up. And you can pop the cable out by pushing it over. Basically, it's this little lead weight lock piece that sits in here and then locks into this opening here. And you kind of just have to pull the cable up so it moves it into the slot so it can be popped out. It's just hard to see with all the plastic around it. I'm going to take some needle nose and just sort of turn the cable so I just use the pliers to pry it up and out where it was locked into the plastic here. Now I want to remove the diagnostic port. Be real careful not to damage this. So it's got two tabs on each side. I'll actually just use these pliers just to push them in a little bit and then pull on it from the back side. Slide it right out of there. And then flip this around. The harness has a little push clip in here. Get some little lock tabs I can squeeze. The needle nose. So what I did was I pushed the needle nose in there and just squeezed on these tabs to push them in and then pulled it out. Now with that, I can just move this out of the way. Put our plastic trim out of the way. Now we need to reinstall our lower dash panel. I'm going to start with the hood cable. That's going to go, it's going to snap into this opening, and then we're going to have to hook it to the handle part. Just pull it straight in like that, it locks. Now we need to get this through here. Kind of pull the cable out a bit. And I have to get this started by putting the little barrel part, put the little barrel part through here, and then you might have to pull up on the cable and lay it into this groove. Kind of helps to get the barrel part hooked first. And then kind of twist it up and just over. And just kind of pushing it over like that. Now it's hooked up. I can rotate this over again. Get it caught on the e-brake. Now with that, it's easier now because this harness wasn't connected to do the hood cable. So now I can plug the diagnostic cable harness back in. So that just has these two snap plugs, or these two snaps and alignment tabs here. It's going to go in just like this. And then this is going to clip in here. And now we can push this back up into place. It's got this opening on the outside here. So I'm going to pull out this trim a little bit so it slides up into place. That one's caught. Now we can push these ones in. They just snap in place real lightly. This one goes up like that. It all just snaps back on. Our hood cable works. Push this down a little bit. Reinstall the cover for the fuse panel. Lastly, install the T20 Torx screw.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.